Okay, I've got a 2013 Dodge Dart and want to make a quick video on the issue having with this remote start. So if you got a 13 to a 16 Dodge Dart and you've got the remote start and it's not working properly, then this may be the cause of yours. Let's go ahead and just see if it's going to cooperate with me here. Okay, so you see it shut off there. Okay, so we come in here and it's going to say something like remote start disabled, and the message already disappeared, but let's go ahead and crank it up. Okay, so right here is our culprit. As you can see, this check engine light. Now, as you know, any number of sensors, any number of things can set off a check engine light, and so you need to get that checked out. In this case, it's a faulty oil switch that's causing the issue, but your remote start will not work as long as that check engine light on. Now, the flashing tire sensor there doesn't have anything to do with it, but it's because one of the tire sensors is damaged. Okay, now I have got the check engine light problem solved, and so let's try this again. Alright, so I'd call that a fix. So if you're having trouble with your remote start and it's cutting off like this, take a look and see if you've got a check engine light and get that issue addressed. So you can go to any, a lot of parts stores. They'll read these check engine lights for free and point you in the right direction, hopefully. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.